I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to go through Tesla today. Let me get rid of some of these lines. We'll do it this way. We'll start from scratch, just like that. Boom, they're all gone. Okay, so with Tesla, this is kind of doing what stocks like this do. It is printing what I would call a high handle. First of all, it's got this kind of cup here, a couple of volatility squeezes, and a pop above 800. I think a real pop was above 900. You just can't really see it here. And to complete the cup part of the pattern, and then what happens is stock runs up here, a new high, and then starts retracing a lot of that breakout. And the thing that's the most important is, where does the stock find support? You know, if it keeps falling down here, then that's a failed pattern. You don't want to do anything with that. But if it rebounds off of a logical level, and here I think it has, then that's really the opportunity for you to be buying the stock. And as you can see here, 900, I mean, the initial breakout was at 800, really, right here. But then the stock really had a big jump. I believe this was on earnings above 900. So I'll say, okay, that's where support was. It ultimately came back to retest this, and that test so far is held. But if you're jumping the gun here on this, that could be a problem. I wouldn't buy it right here. I'm not bearish on Tesla. I'm just bullish on a sideways consolidation for a while. So, look, this video is pretty short. Tesla's not a buy right here. It's a stock that you're definitely going to want to own if you don't already. You're definitely going to want to own this stock, but it's not something to own right now. You don't want to be buying this right now. So just let this stock settle out. I don't know, go look for something else to buy. I was looking at Dell today, didn't buy any, but this is looking kind of perky for me. I was looking at Tech Resources, also looking perky, and this is something that I actually did buy. So this is just kind of the way I'm seeing it. I want to be more involved in industrials and metals and less involved in tech. Tech is not working right now. 50, definitely not working. How about the sage of stocks, the maven of markets, Kathy Wood? Well, her stuff is getting to be more and more deep value. She likes this setup. I'm sure she does. And so the lower it goes, the more you're going to see her pump until finally she'll fade from view. Probably, I don't know, right around $50 or so. You'll see CNBC not really wanting her on too much. But in the meantime, hey man, hope springs eternal, and so does the BS. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow.